from Terminal 3 in Port Canaveral. This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Here's your cruise news for Monday, October 25th, 2021.
Ladies and gentlemen, uno, tres, press the button.
Carnival's newest ship, Mardi Gras, has officially been christened. The naming ceremony took place on the ship right behind me in the Mardi Gras Theater on Saturday at Port Canaveral, with Miss Dominican Republic Kimberly Jimenez presiding as godmother. Mardi Gras first set sail on her maiden voyage on July 31st and has been operating 7-night Eastern and Western Caribbean sailings since. And Celebrity Cruises has revealed that 7 of its ships will be sailing in Europe for the 2023 season. All 3 Edge-class vessels, which are Celebrity Edge, Apex, and Beyond, are included in the 7. The other 4 are Celebrity Infinity, Celebrity Constellation, Silhouette, and Reflection. Altogether, they will offer 4 to 13-night sailings in Northern Europe, the Mediterranean, and the Middle East. And after a year of dry dock delays, Carnival Radiance is finally out of the shipyard and en route to North America. The vessel's major transformation from Carnival Victory into Radiance wrapped earlier this month, and she is now expected to arrive in Freeport, Bahamas on October 27th. There, Carnival will begin staffing the ship and start their 2-week quarantine for the crew. On December 13th, Radiance is set to begin sailing to Mexico from Long Beach, California. And cruise line stocks were mixed on Friday. Carnival Corporation down 0.2%, 22.29. Royal up 1%, 84.63. And Norwegian down 1%, or 0.08% rather, 25.48. Breaking news and up-to-the-minute industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. Here at Port Canaveral, just outside Carnival's Mardi Gras at Terminal 3, I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.
Cruise News Today is a production of Cruise Radio. For daily updates, subscribe to the Cruise Radio YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.